How about firing your neural pathways and making changes in certain areas of your brain that can make you happy or positive? Namaste, I'm Shyamla, life and wellness coach and a healer. I'm talking about affirmations which start with the words I or I am. These are identity statements written in present tense which are short so that it's easy to remember. Writing this for 21 days on a continuous basis without a break leads to subconscious reprogramming of your negative thoughts and images being replaced by positive thoughts and images or beliefs or habits or behavior which you would want to change. This is at the first level. You can continue further for another 21 days till you feel that you are ready with your changes that you want. Now, what are these sentences which are starting from I or I am? I am just giving some sample sentences. You can make your own sentences for your own goal. So, I am lovely, I am awesome, I am confident, I am powerful, I choose to eat healthy food, I choose peace, I choose calmness over anger, I am abundant, I am a money magnet, I am attracting money from multiple sources. So, based on what is you want to make changes, you can choose your own sentences. Thank you.